Good morning. Welcome to Slow English with Anna. I am happy you are here. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me. Today, we will get ready for the day together. Slowly, calmly, no rush. Let's begin. I wake up in my bed. The room is quiet. The air feels soft. I stay still for a moment. I do not move. I listen to the silence. I take a slow breath in. I breathe out gently. My body feels relaxed. I open my eyes slowly. The light is soft and warm. The morning feels peaceful. I stay in bed for a little while. I enjoy this quiet moment. This time is just for me. I stretch my arms slowly. I stretch my legs. My body wakes up little by little. I move gently. I do not hurry. I feel calm. I sit up in bed. I place my feet on the floor. The floor feels cool. I stand up slowly. I feel steady. I feel awake. I walk to the window. I open the curtains. Soft light fills the room. I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. It feels clean and nice. I look outside for a moment. The sky looks gentle. The day feels new. I take another slow breath. I smile softly. It is a good morning. I walk to the bathroom. The house is quiet. I enjoy this calm time. I turn on the water. I wash my face slowly. The water feels cool and fresh. I gently dry my face. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile a little. I feel awake now. I feel ready. I brush my teeth slowly. I move gently. I take my time. I rinse my mouth. I feel clean. I feel fresh. I take another look in the mirror. I stand still for a moment. I feel calm and peaceful. I walk back to my room. I open my closet. I choose my clothes. I like comfortable clothes. I choose soft fabrics. I take my time. I get dressed slowly. I move calmly. I feel comfortable. I smooth my clothes gently. I feel relaxed. I feel good. I walk to the kitchen. The house still feels quiet. This is my favorite time of day. I prepare a warm drink. Maybe tea, maybe coffee. I hold the cup in my hands. The cup feels warm. It feels cozy. I take a small sip. I drink slowly. I enjoy the taste. I take another sip. I breathe slowly. I relax my shoulders. I sit down quietly. I rest my hands. I enjoy the silence. This moment feels peaceful. I feel grateful. I think about my day. I think about what I will do. I do not feel rushed. I remind myself to move slowly today, to breathe deeply, to be kind to myself. Slow mornings help me. They help me feel calm. They help me focus. When I move slowly, my mind feels clear. My body feels relaxed. I finish my drink slowly. I place the cup down gently. I stand up calmly. I prepare my bag. I check my things. Everything is ready. I take my keys. I feel prepared. I feel calm. I take one deep breath. In, out. The day can begin. This is how I get ready for the day. Slow and simple. Peaceful and calm. Thank you for learning with me today. Thank you for sharing this quiet time. If you enjoy slow mornings, you are not alone. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel and come back again. Until next time, take care, move slowly, and enjoy your day.